Hello, America. Hello, world. We are back with another series on T.M.G, Tony Magnum Gaming. And this game here is one of my favorites, The Evil Within. So, before we start, check this out. We're at nighttime because this is a spooky game. I even got me a nice little lamp here so I can play and do gamings anytime I need to. Don't have to depend on the sun. And what else? Okay, let me just try to jump into the game. First, little disclaimers. I have played the game before, so we're gonna go through this game. No power-ups, no nothing like that. We're gonna go fresh into the game so y'all can just enjoy the story and me playing. And where when it comes to like the memos and text things, I may or may not read them. Okay, but I will scroll through them so you can pause it on your own time and read it if you need be, if you're unfamiliar with the story. Okay, and we're gonna enjoy this game. I got the spooky mode set up. Y'all ready for this? Here we go. All right. Enemies can't be distracted by throwing bottles. You need to hit that bitch with a bottle. I need to stop. Back in the day when I got a little turned up, I need to stop. Here we go. Checkpoint.
All units, 1199, expedite cover code 3, Beacon Mental Hospital.
184 copy, code 3, ETA 3 minutes.
Copy 184.
Here we go.
Sorry, detectives. I know you're just coming off a case, but I'm afraid we're gonna have to make a detour.
Sounds serious. Is it a riot?
A call went out just before I picked you up. Said it was multiple homicides. Half a dozen units already.
That's my
on scene.
character there.
131, please advise.
Hey, maybe it's the ghost of that doctor who went schizo and chopped up all those patients.
That's not what happened. Some patients disappeared. Some kind of scandal?
Still, gives you the creeps, doesn't it?
127, 124, please respond.
Joseph, you think there's a connection?
It's a possibility. I believe the records were sealed.
Joseph kind of looks like my tech guy, Mr. Kent. Shout out to Mr.
Dispatch,
Kent.
this is Detective Castellanos in 184. What's the situation? Over.
Castellanos.
184, be advised. Some problem reaching on the Beacon Memorial.
Is there any...
God damn it!
My tendonitis. No. My vibration. And the weirdness is starting to kick in already.
Junior Detective Kidman. Any thoughts?
Nothing yet.
Kidman.
I'm sure we'll know everything once we get there.
All right. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I'm excited for this one. That's not good. That's not good at all.
What do you make of it?
Not good.
Connolly, contact dispatch and let them know what's happening. Joseph, Kidman, you're with me. We're gonna have a look around.
Right.
Oh boy. Here we go. The Beacon Hospital. Chapter 1. An emergency call. Now, why is this not good? Okay, if we're police forces responding to an area like this and you don't see any officers on the outside having an outer cordon to keep people out and stop excessive people from coming in, and you just walk up, you see all the cars, no officers at all, something wrong. Something wrong. Ooh. Walk into a dangerous situation off the bat. But that's tactical stuff. I need to
Smells
lower
like
that.
blood.
All right, stay sharp.
That's tactical stuff. I need to calm that mess down. I'm trying to be a normal civilian. Oh.
We're gonna check it out. Don't let anyone else through this door.
I can be an extra set of eyes.
We don't know what's happening here. You're a backup.
Which is what the first group of cops should have been doing. But oh well. It's part of the scariness. So as you can see, walked right into a bloodbath.
you hear something?
Yes, I did. Just, pools of blood. It's fucking horrible. And bodies
I'm
moving.
alive in here.
Ooh, ooh. They even killed the receptionist.
Are you injured? What happened here?
Can't be real. Impossible. Ruvik is...
I've got him. The security cameras might tell us something.
Alrighty, guess I'll move it again. Yep. Move it again. Dang, it's been a while, but I'm getting such nostalgia feels for playing this game. Okay, what we got here? Got some cops. Some gunfire there. And we have Nightcrawler teleporting. Ganking people. You look better, Nightcrawler. My eyeball. Oh no. That's classic horror movie tactics right there. Great. That looks painful. Rat, don't you touch my blood. Blood all over the place. That's another great thing about this. This is bloody. Oh my, you have one of those faces. I'll admit, my face is not that far from yours, but I think I'm just a little level above it. Heaven forbid I give myself a compliment. Oh! Y'all hear that? He's... Oh, it's chunky and it's meaty. Oh. Does he not see me with my head turned though? Don't look a gift horse and a mouse, Tony. What is wrong with you? Yep, chunky and meaty. Oh. All right, we're gonna wiggle back and forth. Here we go. Yep. 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 Here we go. Oh, what that knife? Looks like a K-bar. Oh. Yes, come here. I remember I have my old K-bar, a completely black one. All right, here we go. Chinese setup. Oh, fell back. Okay, we need to be cautious about what we do here. Oh, great, no gun. That's just fantastic. Okay, so this dude is butchering bodies. Sneak. Okay, sneak. Yes, that's good. Drop it low. And that's what I need to grab. That key. Let's go ahead. Grab that key. Thank you very much. Hierarchy found. These are used on the hospital. Alright. Now let's go. Sneak back up. Look at it. Just turned around. Oh, no, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it low. We just dropping bodies into a pit. Yep, that's how it works. All right, we used the key. Push it on through. Let's go. Let's go. Stay low. Stay quiet. Who remembers that song? Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the. Oh no. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, we're moving. Now you see, my knowledge is telling me I see a tripwire, but video game logic is telling my character he doesn't. And how did he get up there that fast? Run, run, run! You need to run. I know you're a street detective and you can wear street clothes, but those pants are too tight. Ah! Come on, go, 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 go. Hot, hot. Look at this weird ass setup. Why? Why is this a thing? No, 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 no. Oh, keep going. Ah, he cut me. No, no. Oh, it's like those grinders y'all see on YouTube videos. Oh. Jump. Oh. A meat slide. Another grinder. Oh. Oh, with the meat. The meat, the blood. The blood is on my camera. Oh. Oh, God. This, oh, I'm playing again. Oh, God. That is horrible. All that blood, and not to mention he's got an open wound. Oh, he's going to need so many damn shots. Oy. No, 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 no. Ah, hobble, hobble, hobble. Keep going, keep going. I'm supposed to be in a hospital. What kind of hospital has this shit in its underground? Butcher shops. Oh! My open wound in this foulness. Oh, we're going to need even more shots. Ah! Shoot, I will have to say it's going to take a lot more than some zinc and vitamin C to get me fixed up from that shit. Oh.
Where's the exit?
Here we go. What's this? Go for the sewer. Sounds about good. Yellow ladder, which will take you to the ward. Oh. Good to go. I'm just going to speed read through most of those. But if you see it, you want to get the lore, go ahead and pause it. Oh boy, here we go. Okay. Okay. Come on. Oh, write down in the comments. Sneaky, sneaky. That's what we gotta get the hell up out of here. Without that fucker seeing us. Okay. Yep, yep. Hobbling, hobbling. What is that? That's something, right? Yes. STEM system operation begins. Ooh. Success. Anomaly. SCP? No. Sap begins to complain about nausea. That man appeared. Oh, let me talk about that Nightcrawler guy. Oh. Alright, let's go. I push button. I push button. Yes. Okay. Alright, we have reached the checkpoint. Good, good, good. Hot, hot, hot. Oh. Hopefully he didn't hit the Achilles down there. Alright, let's keep going this way. Keep going this way. Yep, yep. Okay, okay. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, hi. Let's get up out of here. Oh. Ew, no, no, no. How did he cover all that ground? Hi, get in there, get in there, fuck. I was almost clumsy. Yep, not taking on that guy. He's a bruiser. Not to mention he already slashed my ankle. Oh boy, it's a scary shit. Go away, please. Go away, please. No! Don't you come in here. No. No. Get the heart. Okay. is where the next phase begins. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, obviously, you cannot let the guy see us. Oh my goodness, don't walk out this way. Please don't, please don't. Okay, okay. It's like, if he did all that to catch up to me right here, why is he not trucking on through the place? Why would he assume I'm... Oh, God, don't turn around. Uh-oh. We could use bottles to distract people. Okay, okay. We got our aim button down. Let's get you as down the hall as possible. Shaboski. There we go. Yep. You go look at that. Run. Okay. Keep going. Oh, another bottle, just in case. Okay. Is he in here? Oh. No. Let's make sure you out the way. Down this hallway. Oh, I didn't see him at all. I thought he would run back the way he came. He came across the other way. Oh, fuck. Okay. Super down the hall. Get that good reach. Huh! Yep, you go down there. Let's just haul ass. Go. Okay. Keep going. All right, stay low, but keep going. Hoo-wee. Okay, we're hauling ass. Okay. Oh. Okay, go. I'm behind the door. Go. Yes. Okay, keep moving. Of course, son of a bitch. Oh, shit is right. No, he's not hobbling slower. No, some adrenaline need to be kicking in right now. Right. Go. Castellanos. Oh, shit. No. Oh, my goodness. Oh-wee. Oh, there. A little bit more scary now, remember. And I ain't got no smokes. Fuck. How am I supposed to calm myself down without my smokes? I'm not a smoker. I don't know. The Evil Within. I don't know. I can't do a blues accent. Y'all don't pay no attention to me. I'm sorry. Okay, we're playing. Let's go. And apparently, I am magically cured with the Slag's Achilles. I don't know how the hell that happened. Maybe there was some magic in that blood in that sewer gunk. Yep, there was a lot of magic in there. Oh, get the hell out of here. Yep. Here we go. Leaving. and we are under attack. Thanos is back. Uh-oh.
Get in!
Yeah, let's get in. Let's get in. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, we gotta get in that ambulance. Yeah, we gotta get in that ambulance. Hey, I see you up there. Nightcrawler ass. Oh, we got people. Okay, got Kidman.
Where's Joseph?
Yeah, where's
I'm
Joseph?
sorry, but you never came out. I waited, but... Please, settle down, Leslie.
What happened to the car? What happened to the police car they were in? What?
Shit! There's no going back.
Oh, Shazam. Oh, stop. Oh, oh. Oh. The shaking. Oh, oh. He is handling that ambulance really good. Uh-oh. Oh, it's gonna be concussed. Oh. He is whipping that big old boxy thing. Oh, shout out to our first responders, EMS and such. I appreciate what you do.
Shit.
Woo! Huh. This just ain't normal. This shit ain't normal. So we got the city destroying itself, reconstructing. Here we go, driving that ambulance.
Damn it. Are we cut off from everyone?
Everyone must be dead.
Everyone all right back there?
Just a few bumps. We're fine.
Fine. Fine. Fine.
We will be once we're far away.
Fine.
A little further and we'll be fine.
We'll be fine. Yes, fine, fine, fine. Oh, we're not fine. We're not fine.
Fine. Fine. Fine. Fine.
Oh, you might be crazy, but something's not fine.
Fine.
Fall! Fall!
Oh! What's going on here? Oh! That's not good. He must have drank the sewer water. Oh!
Fall! Fall!
You know, Leslie, if you saw this coming, in whatever mental issue you have, a better explanation would have been great. Hey, we're about to fall. All right, chapter 1 cleared. Haha. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more because I'm going to keep trying to bring it to you. Tony Magnum Gaming. You want some? Come get some.